What seems to be problem, Steffi?
Oh, I had a terrible backache.
How long have you had a terrible backache?
Oh, for a few days, I guess.
Oh. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. I'm Kate, teacher Kate from Vietnam.
I'm teacher Steffi from Taiwan.
You just watched this conversation, so can you tell me how many tenses are there in the conversation?
Oh, it's simple present.
One more tense.
Present perfect.
So today we want to learn how to use present perfect and also some vocabulary relating to topics, illness and symptoms. Let's go!
Okay, let's introduce the first vocabulary is depression.
The expressions in Vietnamese mean trầm cảm. How about in Chinese?
In Chinese, we say 沮丧.
Trầm cảm.
沮丧.
Okay, the next word allergy. In Vietnam we call dị ứng. Dị ứng.
In Chinese, we say 过敏,过敏.
Okay, the next one sore throat. Sore throat means viêm họng. Viêm họng.
In Chinese, we say 喉咙痛,喉咙痛.
It's a long word. The last one is disease. In Vietnamese means chóng mặt. Chóng mặt.
In Chinese, we say 头晕,头晕.
You got it right. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. We're going to learn about the grammar, about the present perfect. The first one, we're going to learn about how to use it, how we can form the sentence, and last one about the term expression. Okay, first of all, let's take a look how we use present perfect. Here we go. We have a timeline of Tom's story. This is Tom as the present, and this is him in the past. I have the first sentence. Tom was born in 1994. So this sentence, we use the past perfect to describe something happened and in the past. However, in the second sentence, take a look. Tom has lived with his mother since 1994. In this sentence, I use the present perfect to describe the fact that from the past until now, Tom still lives with his mother, and this maybe happen in the future. We have no idea about in the future. So in the first usage of present perfect that we mentioned in this video, that we use present perfect to describe something happened in the past and keep continuing to the present and may be happen in the future.
Now, students, I will introduce the present perfect form here in the subject when the first person and second person, I, you, and the plural, they, we have to use the helping verb have. And in the third person, she, he, it, we have to use has. And in the main verb, we have regular verbs and the irregular verbs. In the regular verb, we have the ed here, ed here. But in irregular verbs, you have just to remember. We will discuss later.
Okay, so now we're going to introduce two common adverbs in present perfect. The first one is for and the second one is sing. It can consider as a signal for you to recognize this tense. We use for a length of time, for example, for 5 minutes. And we use sing
in 1998
with a point in the time. Okay, we use sing with point in the time. For example, this year 2019, which one will you use, sing or for?
Sing.
Sing. That's right. That's right. Correct. Okay, so now we move to the next part. I have a timeline here. It's my timeline, and I have 3 years: 2011, 2017, and 2018. So you, Steffi, and you guys, you have to make two sentences: 2011 and 2018 in present perfect. And this year, 2017, you have to make this one a sentence about teacher Kate in past tense, past simple. Okay? Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Or have you got a boyfriend since 2011?
Let's see. No, I haven't. Now another try.
Okay, and teacher Carl, did you graduate in 2017?
No, I didn't.
Okay, teacher Carl, have you lived in Taiwan since 2018?
Very good. Yes, that's right. See, right? So this time for you, you make 3 sentences and then you comment so that I will give you it's true or false. I'm gonna give you the answer. Okay. Okay, so now let's run this with some grammar exercise. Let's see. I have 5 sentences. Let's do it at home and then you give our comment and then we give you the answers later, right, Teacher Steffi?
Yes.
Okay, so if you like our video, just like and press the subscribe button. Okay, see you!
See you.